if this and this are within 10 newtons of each other, okay, these two guys here, and this guy's flat with no little bump like that, you're efficient. There's zero wasted energy being happened. Okay.
There are runners like that. Yes.
Yeah. I think it makes it harder, okay, for the average person to find that position. It can totally be done. I see it every day. Okay. I also don't see it every day too. Okay. And it's interesting. Folks always talk about midfoot, midfoot, midfoot. The highest impact peaks I've ever seen, the biggest discrepancy from braking acceleration forces I've ever seen, is in somebody who had the most midfoot of midfoot strokes ever. Okay. So it's not just where the foot contact. It's not just what style the foot contact's in. It's where the foot is in relation to center of mass. Okay. If you don't get your contact, again, so to get rid of a pain, just click on the X, bring it over here, and hit that. Oops, didn't work. Okay. So we come over here. Actually, I'll give you an example real quick. If you want to pull this up, so you want to see the difference in your hip measurements. So look at your hip. Let's look at your hip rotation angles. So you can see, if we bring this up, your left leg stays much more external rotated every single stride than your right side. You can see everything in real time here, every single thing. Sweet. Okay, and it does that for all the graphs we looked at here today. If you want to see the ankle graphs, it's really interesting too, the ankle torques. So ankle predation torque, click that, and click your, front view again, sorry. Okay. Okay, they're on different sides of the curve here. Okay.
They should be...
We want both things on the positive side, but lower. Okay, this is your left side is way too high, and this guy is wide again because that foot's landing landing loud to center mass because you're shifted over towards the left side.
Do you think that right foot's doing that on the right foot contact to make up for the left? Whatever's going on the left side.
I think your physical trunk shift towards the left side is changing the way the forces are going to the left ankle. The right ankle. The right ankle is not a problem. Right ankle issues will go away once you bring your trunk back in alignment. And then, so yeah, you can look at your ankle powers here, knee power, anything you want to. It's like anything is full time, and you can look at it with graph overlays too. So
cool.
You'll have a field day with this. So it doesn't work out too. See, more often than not, this guy peaks out here. Okay, so the guy has that extra hump right there, and it goes to loading rate, which also causes strain on tissue too. Not every time, but for the most part, whenever it's higher, it's always higher on the left side. So we're trying to minimize loading rates. I'm going to talk about that with some killing stuff. Okay, cool.